After dealing with audio glitches myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. This approach targets corrupted temporary files causing audio to repeat endlessly. Clearing these old files forces the audio app to restart cleanly, often resolving the stuck loop by removing the malfunction source. Toggling USB debugging can surprisingly reset underlying audio processes. It's like giving your phone's sound system a quick digital refresh, clearing minor software conflicts trapping audio in a loop. This helps fix audio playback starting loop stuck glitch in Android by reinitializing sound pathways. Updating your phone's software and apps is crucial. These updates often contain vital bug fixes that directly solve known audio issues or improve how sound drivers operate. An outdated system is prone to sound getting stuck, so updating ensures the most stable version. This ultimate fix wipes your phone completely, making it brand new. When software problems are deeply ingrained and other solutions fail, a factory reset cleans out all hidden issues, giving your audio a fresh start. It's a powerful last resort for stubborn glitches.